हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के टॉप 50 एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में आपके लिए क्वेश्चन ऑफ दी डे रहता है जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है कमेंट सेक्शन में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द ग्रेट बाथ ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज फाउंड एट, एंड द आंसर इज मोहनजोदारो। Second question, which was the only Indus site with an artificial brick dockyard? And the answer is Lothal. Third question, the Harappans did not know the use of, and the answer is iron. Fourth question, there are similarities between the seals found at Mohenjo-daro and the answer is Sumeria. Fifth question, the Harappas had commercial relations with, and the answer is Mesopotamia. Sixth question, which of the following has not been found in the excavation of Harappan sites? And the answer is temple with Shikhar. Seventh question, which of the following was common to both the Harappan society and the Rigvedic society? And the answer is horse. Eighth question, the local name of Mohenjo-daro is, and the answer is Mound of the Dead. Ninth question, which of the following Indus Valley site is in Pakistan? And the answer is Harappa. 10th question, the most common animal figure found at all the Harappan sites is, and the answer is unicorn bull. 11th question, the Indus Valley civilization has been assigned the period 2500 to 1800 BC on the basis of, and the answer is radiocarbon dating. 12th question, which was the biggest building in Mohenjo-daro? And the answer is granary. 13th question, cereals grown by the people of the Harappan civilization was, and the answer is all of the above, that is wheat, rice and millet. 14th question, Harappan weapons were made of, and the answer is all of the above, that is stone, copper and bronze. 15th question, the people of Indus Valley civilization worshipped, and the answer is Pashupati. 16th question, Mohenjo-daro is situated in, and the answer is Larkana district. 17th question, name the oldest civilization. And the answer is Mesopotamia civilization. 18th question, the Indus Valley civilization can be said to belong to the, and the answer is Bronze Age. 19th question, which was the only Indus city without a citadel? And the answer is Chahundaro. 20th question, the script of Indus Valley civilization was, and the answer is undeciphered. 21st question, the striking feature of the Indus Valley civilization was, and the answer is urban civilization. 22nd question, the essential feature of the Indus Valley civilization was, and the answer is organized city life. 23rd question. Most depicted animal of the Indus Valley civilization was? And the answer is bull. 24th question. How were the streets of cities in the Indus Valley civilization? तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर आपको कमेंट करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में। 25th question. Most of the large Harappan town had for fortifications which served the purpose of? And the answer is all of the above. That is safety from robbers, protection against cattle riders, and protection against floods. 26th question. Which of the following materials was mainly used in the manufacturing of Harappan seals? And the answer is terracotta. 27th question. The town planning in the Harappan civilization was inspired by a regard for? And the answer is sanitation and public health. 28th question. The worship of Mother Goddess was related to? And the answer is with the Indus Valley civilization. 29th question. What is the script of Indus Valley civilization? And the answer is unknown. 30th question. Whose statue was an important creation of the people of Indus Valley civilization? And the answer is Dancing Girl. 31st question. The Harappan civilization was discovered in the year? And the answer is 1921. 32nd question. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in the year? And the answer is 1921. 33rd question. Which of the following objects was not worshipped by the Indus Valley people? And the answer is Trimurti. 34th question. How many layers of Mohenjo-daro were found? And the answer is 7 layers. 35th question. After the partition of India, the largest number of Harappan towns and settlements have been found in? And the answer is Gujarat. 36th question. The famous Harappan site of Lothal is situated in? And the answer is Gujarat. 37th question. Which of all Harappan sites has the most impressive drainage system? And the answer is Mohenjo-daro. 38th question. The earliest city discovered in India was? And the answer is Harappa. 39th question. Which of the following Indus Valley sites is presently in Pakistan? And the answer is Harappa. 40th question. Which was the backbone of Indus economy? And the answer is agriculture. 41st question. The Harappans were the earliest people to produce? And the answer is cotton. 42nd question. Who is the excavator of Harappan site? And the answer is Dayaram Sahani. 43rd question. The Great Bath was found at? And the answer is Mohenjo-daro. 44th question. A prominent Harappan site being surrounded by flood barriers in order to protect it with the aid of UNESCO funds is? And the answer is Mohenjo-daro. 45th question. Which of the following civilization is not associated with the Harappan civilization? And the answer is Chinese. 46th question. Harappa is situated on the bank of the river? And the answer is Ravi River. 47th question. In Indus Valley civilization, Kalibangan is famous for which of the following? And the answer is pottery. 48th question. In Indus Valley civilization, Dholavira is famous for which of the following? And the answer is water conservation. 49th question. The social system of the Harappans was? And the answer is purely egalitarian. And the last 50th question. Out of the following remain excavated in Indus Valley, which one indicates the commercial and economic development? And the answer is seals. तो ये थे इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के टॉप 50 इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है व्हाट वाज द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ इंडस सिविलाइजेशन। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।